Hi again. We often speak about the concept of work-life balance. Let's think about that for a minute. Work-life balance. It implies that work is not really a part of your life, though if you think about it, you spend most of your awake time at work. How crooked is that? You want to start a business because you probably want to change something in your life, and this is your first step towards it. Understanding that your business is an essential part of your life and is a medium to thrive in what you love doing. When starting a business, what you're actually doing is putting a great power in your hands. What is this power about? Let's think about this. First, the power to do things your way. You will be making every single decision in your business, and the way you are, as well as the thing you like, will have a direct impact on how your business is shaped. Of course, this might be at times overwhelming, but we will see that we are not alone in this thing of being business owners, and we can reach out to other peers as well as build a connection or a network to reach out to. The other one is the power to manage your own time. No more asking for permission from your boss to go to a doctor appointment, no more missing your kids' school events, no more counting the minutes for your lunch break. Your life will now be flexible, adapting to the environment and the circumstances, which makes so much more sense, right? We will see later, though, that we will need to create some structure around it, but this structure will be custom around your life and yourself. The third one is the power to earn more. The truth is that nothing can give you security, not even being employed at a job. How many people have you heard of that were laid off without any anticipation? How many people you know that are waiting for a salary raise? Perhaps yourself? As a freelancer, you have the power to create new opportunities and achieve your financial goals without depending on someone else's agenda. And you might be thinking now, well, I will now depend on my client's agenda. And let me stop you right there to tell you that clients are not the only way to generate income as a freelancer. That's exciting, isn't it? We'll get there later, but for now, let's embrace the idea that as a freelancer, you have the capability to double, triple, and multiply the money you earn. As we mentioned before, your business will be a reflection of yourself, and ultimately you will shine through your business. You will realize that as we are shaping your business, you will be also shaping your own life. These are two sides of the same coin. I see a business as a living thing because it's dynamic and it develops and changes over time. So your business will always be a prototype. That means that it will never be finished, but it will always be perfectible. And that's great because that will give you new things to work on.